So far, Trisha has put in the organic potting soil.
Yeah.
Garden soil. And then also the dye-free cypress mulch into her tortoise table. Her tortoise table box. Soon she will be putting in everything else she needs to get ready for her babies to come. Now in slid the divider.
Yeah.
That will be the divider between the, what do you call this spot?
The dark area.
The dark area where they like to sleep and maybe hide. Okay. And then where the lamps will be over here to give them light and heat. As you can see from this angle, they have a hole to enter into, to go into the sleepy area where they like to go and rest and be in a dark place. Okay, so now she went and got, I think that's river rock. It's a bag of rocks from Home Depot. And she got terracotta plates to use for a water dish and for a food dish. They're shallow, the water will not be too deep so that they don't drown. They'll be able to wade in to the water and get their drink, and it will have to be changed probably a couple times a day because dirt might be on their feet and get into the water. And then lastly, she put in, what was that called?
Eco Earth.
Eco Earth, but you could also use corn, coconut husk, which we ordered coconut husk, and it's not here yet. So she got Eco Earth. It kind of keeps the moisture up because these are jungle tortoises, Red Footed Tortoises. Over there in the corner is going to be a flat rock eventually for a basking spot because there'll be a light for that eventually. Lights are coming soon.